Good morning from Guwahati. I'm in Assam State Museum inside Guwahati, and I just entered this section and I was so impressed that I thought let's make a video also. This particular section is about the village life of Assam. Corona protocols, a statutory warning. The moment you enter the village, you are welcomed by the graceful presence of a temple. This is the prayer hall, and that side is the sanctum sanctorium. Let me just give a overview of the overall section first, and then I'll take you to places throughout one by one. Well, that was the entrance. Alright, so let's go, and this is various food items of Assam. I can see some good here, some grain rotis. I'm sure it is made of rice, some local herbs. The Katputhli dhols and nagadas and various instruments, hand and mouth instruments. Basically the hand, mouth would be also there. Yes. Various pots, serving pots and utensils. The handcraft like a Mexican hat. Decorative items, lamps. I think it is Panchayat, Gram Panchayat. A mega or a big pot for community or group meal. Look at this. It's almost more than 5 feet of diameter. Now I'm entering a beautiful particular house where I guess at least 5 to 6 members of this particular family could stay and live comfortably and of course happily. This is the kitchen. This is another outside fireplace where you could make evening and morning tea. This is the entrance towards the bedrooms. 1-2 bedroom on the left hand side. The alley to pass through. And this is 1 bedroom room. It reminds me of spas in 5-star hotels. Seen some of them. This is the backyard, the common area where they can have their kettles also. This is the room for the kettles. Kettle can eat food here. It will be served here. And this is the storage in the yard area. Now going towards the side or back side exit. I think here you can relax during the evenings. This is the door, of course made of bamboo, goes by default. Some more depictions of various household and industrial items. This is a typical village where pottery making and other things happening. This is the exit side of that particular house, and if you want the full view of this house from back side, the view is like this. You had entered from that side and you exited here, and then you have more depictions of a village life. Cotton, making cloths. Again cotton. That reminds me, I saw Cotton University here in Guwahati last night, and I was just speechless to see that. It's an amazing information. This is a boat, a typical Assami boat. Let's go to more depiction of seeds of vegetables and crops. Similarly, a lot of seeds. Mask of Ravana. It says used in the Ankiya drama and Bhavna. Find place Samugiri, Satara, Majuli. Time 20th century AD. It's a lamp where you can put a lot of diyas and candles. Another, you can put water in this and put flowers. I think it's probably used to store the rice. You cook the rice in that and store in this, and take drinks or liquids or vegetables from those pots. Sit and enjoy. Coming back to the exit and entrance where the temple is. And let me say goodbye to this lovely village and exit and say a big thank you. Bye bye. See you.